So another day, another box. Let's see what we got today. So let's see what we have today. This is a smart floodlight camera which forever power 360 days non-stop. So this is going to be very useful for here the front of the house, because as you know, I get different cars every day and I need to be watching them too. So here we are. We also got this MUBVIEW smart video doorbell, which is going to replace a Ring doorbell that has been here and never really worked that well. So this is going to be very helpful for the safety of the cars and the house. There's actually been a couple of break-ins and actually cars stolen from this neighborhood recently, so this is going to be great. Let's look around and show where we're going to install these ones. So this one, MUBVIEW smart video doorbell, it's going to replace this Ring one that and it's been for a long time. As you can see, it no longer works. I've tried to change the battery, do different things, it's not working. So this is a perfect replacement for the Ring that doesn't ring. So the first thing is to take this one out, which is really easy, just a couple of screws here. Hopefully the same holes will fit the new one. This is attached to the Ring bell inside that probably is going to be not used anymore, because the new one comes with the ringer itself. So here goes the Ring out the door. So now let's see what's here in the box for this MUBVIEW smart video doorbell. Owner's manual. Let's see, quick look. Here's the QR code to download the app that I'm gonna be using from my phone. We have the chime here, which is battery powered. So we're gonna put these batteries in here. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and put the batteries on the chime so that's ready too when we do the first test. It works. A wire to recharge the actual camera. Here it is, the port to charge the camera and everything else. The screws to put it into the wall. Should be pretty simple installation. Here are the instructions for the app to connect the chime. Little tool to open it, and a little slot for a card, so if you want to record and keep your records there. So first we're gonna see if this matches what we have on the wall there. So these wires I'm not gonna need, because again this was from the old ringer inside. And actually, let me go inside and pull them out completely, because I don't need it. So let's see. No, it doesn't match. I need to make new holes here. Or maybe I can hold it with just one. So now I'm here following the instructions. I turn it on, you press 5 seconds, and if it's red, it's charging. Okay, I now downloaded the app. I want to set up my information here, and I left the doorbell charge all night. It should be on. It should be fully charged now, so I want to set up this and see how it goes.
Select the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter your password. Please remove all film from the lens. Tap next to show a QR code, and let your device scan the code. Keep your phone 5 to 8 inches from the lens. Connecting. Please wait a moment. Connecting. Please wait a moment. Put camera and phone at the place of camera installation. Press next to internet.
So here it is. It's already connected. It's done. So the doorbell is already installed, and we can check. For example, here I am. So hello. it works. Well, the audio is getting feedback, I guess, but excellent addition. Let me turn it off. And now I'm gonna try to add the Floodlight camera to the app. Let's see.
Please power on the device. Please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds. Wait for the indicator light to flash red.
There's the red.
Select the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter your password. Please remove all film from the lens. Tap next to show a QR code. Connecting. Please wait a moment.
Successful.
Put camera and phone at the place of camera installation. Press next to enter network diagnostic.
So here it is. It's connected. It works. So now I have to find a place to put a solar panel to set it up somewhere here in front of the house, but make sure that the solar panel gets enough sun to charge. So I'm gonna try this for a couple days and then I'll share what's the result. So I've decided that this is gonna be the best place for the solar panel, and the camera will go over here in this corner above or side by side to this bell, and you won't see it. So I'm gonna install it now. It will be protected somehow from the rain. You won't see it, and we'll see how it goes. One of the great things about this product, it comes something really helpful. We have these templates to know where we're gonna put it. So let's say it's gonna be here. You do drill the holes there, and those holes will match what we need. There you have it. It's already installed. And let's do a check here with the app, which is giving me alerts all this time.
There you have it. It's already
Little delay.
installed.
Motion detection. No, I want it. Here's the live shot. There I am. And I'm gonna do a test here for a couple of days to see if this is a good location for the solar panel. And if that's the case, I can install the wire here. We can even move it further down and actually lay it flat right there, so it's not even visible. If I put the wire all the way here, actually I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a little bracket there, bring the wire down here, and the solar panel just will go further down. I'm gonna put a bracket to put it fixed there. So it's been a couple of days already since I installed this doorbell and the camera here, and they work really well. In this case, I decided to install the solar panel on this wall. It's been a bit cloudy. You can still see here that the battery is about 25% today. Hasn't gotten too much sun, so in the afternoon I'm gonna check it again. The doorbell is almost full. It's been 2-3 days since that, so these cameras really work well. They were super easy to install. In this case, the solar panel was a little bit of an issue, not because of the camera itself, but because of the location here in my house with the palm trees and everything else. But this is a very good solution. You can see the camera, it's already there. I'm gonna install that railing to cover the wire so it doesn't get damaged, and the solar panel will be there fixed too, so you don't even see it. And now I can check on my cars on the driveway and also on the traffic that goes here on my street, even though it's really quiet. So here I am. You can see me here on the driveway getting into this car. And we're ready to go. Like any other battery powered device, the more use you get out of it, the less battery life you'll have. So in this case, if you have the motion detection feature activated, the battery will drain much faster, obviously. So for now, I'm going to leave it here without the motion detection outside and test it. I can do a update video later. And since I have also the doorbell in the courtyard, I have a double two-level security system here, so we'll see how it goes. The other cool thing about this camera system is that now I can monitor what's going on the driveway from my desk where I'm working for hours while I'm home, and that way I don't have to come around every time when I hear a noise or something. Now the camera lets me know what's going on.